Today we will make a delicious coffee latte with the HiBREW H7B. First, take fresh coffee beans and add them to the grinder. Choose your preferred grinding level and let the machine grind the beans to perfection. Once finished, take the ground coffee powder and fill it into the handle. Place the handle into the machine, ready for extraction. Next, take a cup and add a layer of smooth whipping cream, followed by a drizzle of caramel. Now, start the extraction process, allowing the rich espresso to flow into the cup. While waiting, move to the steam wand and prepare a velvety milk foam. Finally, combine the extracted coffee and the frothed milk into the cup, creating the perfect blend of flavors. Enjoy your indulgent coffee latte made with HiBREW.